fasten seatbelt sign will be switched off in a few more minutes. However, for your own safety, we advise you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Please be careful when opening the luggage bins, as hand luggage may float unexpectedly. Once again, we would like to remind you that your face masks must be worn during the entire flight, covering not only your mouth, but also your nose, except for a briefly moments when you're having a drink or a snack. This aircraft has two lavatory